Hi, wanna know how to fix pairing problem on your Xiaomi Redmi Buds 5? So, as a first step, we would need to go to the settings and here open our Bluetooth settings, which are located in this tab named Connections, and here click on the Bluetooth tab. As a next step here, if your earbuds are connected, click on this settings icon and here click Unpair. And once more. After this, we would need to put both of the earbuds inside a case, like this, and now close it for a few seconds. Now, as a next step, we would need to open the case again and find this side button, which is located on the right edge of the case. Here is it how the button looks, and we would need to hold this button until we can see this indicator at front blink firstly. Slow, then fast, and then slow again. When it's slow again, we can release our finger, and that means that the factory reset of our earbuds has been successful. So let's do it. I'll start holding the button and watch the indicator. And now we can release our finger and the factory reset of our earbuds has been successfully done. Now we can open our Bluetooth settings again and here try to find our earbuds in this list. And I can see them, here they are, Redmi Buds 5. Click on them and then on the pop-up message choose pair. And this is it. All of the connectivity issues should be fixed. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.